You just found the 2021 Subaru Forester. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Enjoy a tour of this Subaru Forester, the compact SUV that's relaxing to drive. Spacious and refined, this crossover offers desirable safety and connectivity features at a surprisingly affordable price. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, panoramic roof, keyless entry, fog lamps, heated mirrors, satellite radio, backup camera, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, alarm. This Forester is the perfect blend of comfort and capability. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.